So give thanks to come forward. Yeah, man. A cruise. We're up on a cruise. We left Saturday. And the cruise left Sunday. And this cruise we go up on used to go to Montego Bay and Ocherios and then turn and go back to Miami. Well, this time the cruise go to Mexico. So we're 2 days in Mexico. But that is not what I want to tell you that about. You see, that is something that we passed away the other day named Melissa. Trust me, man. Last year, a year before Berlin did come, I don't remember what she name, but last year, I never had Jamaica again, you know. I there one place named, well, a little island road is her name again. Anyway, I mean, the hurricane go on terrible, but how I feel that time, yeah, is a different feeling. And you have about nearly 4,000 people up on the boat there, you know, and most of them are Jamaican. And believe you me, man, with all, you see how we are going on stage and all them something there. It's like it not, I mean, people enjoy themselves still, you know, but it's like the vibes, the feeling, for no say, you're deep in the middle of the ocean, and the country where you come from, a blow away and a rain a fall and breeze a blow and the chicken them blow away. It's not a good feeling. Not a good feeling. And guess what now? You can hardly get phone call pan the unless you
FM really rocking, you know?
Gone again, it's gone, you come back.
You come back now, man.
Yeah. I talk about the vibes we're supposed to do there, even though the people might enjoy themselves. It's like, I'm most Jamaican upon the boat, you know. It's like everybody down in them cell phone, you know, look and everybody has sent them things and everybody has said, you know, disaster, upon top of disaster, upon top of disaster. And you say, but me should have there Jamaica when me are in the middle of the ocean. No matter how much damage Jamaica. What is? Anyway, you know, I'm gonna tell you about a part the two where I go on so. But trust me, man, it's really a terrible feeling. Yeah, me that say, you see when you decide, say, boy, you're gonna take the chance and use the phone. You see when the $5 a minute they don't tickle your brains, you forget about that, you know, because you see when you do get Jamaica, you know what come off of the phone, you know. You know what come off of the phone. And when I say, I'm going to just call 3 minutes to find out if everybody all right. I'm going to say, everybody all right. So, yeah, that lead to a next thing and lead to a next thing. We're going to take a break and come forward. We reach a part now when I say, after me done catch Jamaica, I know I'm going to not catch it again. Me now check about no $5 a minute. Me just have talk. Trust me, man. You see when me see the bill. When you look on your TV, when you look on the news, them, the CNN and the MSNBC and BBC, the people, them, it's like it's a reverence, man. When them hear they say it's one of the biggest hurricane we are going to hit the Caribbean. It's a reverence. All the people them talk about Jamaica, man. And you can see it now, how much people are sending things come down here for just rectify certain, how many people are come down here. Trust me, there's something about Jamaica where people now decide that they're going to rally around it. Because you see that the place down at St. Elizabeth, that now all 70, 80 years time, you know, it's still a fix, you know. Yeah, man, the place like Gaza Strip. Yeah, because when I look on it and I look on the Gaza, I say, but wait, it look like it's a bomb drop down there, Rasta. It's like a bomb. Why, I tell you, anyway, we have to get over it. Yeah, we can't just moan. So we have to now build up back the spirit of the people, them, and then see why we little make a muckle. So what we can do as human beings, as ones and ones who live here and know how the place stay continuously, much less now. So ones who can do it, just do a thing. I tell you, no matter how it stay, no matter how small, if you can do a thing, just do a thing, Rasta. Because we're not going to sit down and weep every day and I say, oh gosh, look how this and that and, you know, blow away. Clothes and shelter is the hallmark of a human being existence. Yes, food, clothes and shelter, the hallmark of a human being existence. You know, see, because I watch the fowl them, I see the fowl them cock up in the tree them. And I say, watch there, rain a tear down the place. All today. Rain a tear down the place and the people, them just cock up in the tree them no care. Them hold on with them claw, you know. I tell you, if I don't know, I tell you Rasta. But in November, at the end of November, the hurricane done, you know. Hurricane season done, you know. And now I just middle of November. Hey, you know, say Gilbert, me there when Gilbert there, you know. Me there when Gilbert there and me there Bush, me live at Bush, Gilbert. And the place, me say Zinc. It's a true in a little valley. Me say Zinc a fly over the valley, you know. Me I tell you, Gilbert. Yeah, when me sing about Loving Day, sing about Wild Gilbert. I bet him not sing nothing about Melissa. Him not sing about nothing about Melissa, you know, because trust me, that's a joke thing. No, but Mrs. You people them know, Rasta no can't stay down in the bush, they have to go out to the community center. There's a community center, they must say no go in the middle of a black shop the place name. Why you up all the people them run a black shop and put to the district and Janzal. Yes, why you don't up, you know, but the people them tell us so we have to go over there. Because as sure as fate and the code also we will build there. It's not going to stand study. And trust me, I tell you no lie. The little house stand up in the hurricane and I say, I show in the valley too, you know, the breeze blow over way. Yes, when I go to the square Rasta where the people them has pack up, you know, the whole of the top of the community center blow off, you know. The whole of the top of the community center. But when we go out and we go do a tour and we say we're going to get things. And I remember Bonneville also did that do the same thing. We decided say we are going to stock a container to come back at Jamaica. You see when the container reach at the wharf, Rasta, the amount of money where the people them are charged with to take it off, we just make it stay there. Now, we see this government wake up to the reality. So them not charge you no fee when you come through for any luggage. Cause as we reach a Miami airport, so the man will check the bag, will check on the bag, say, you know, there's no charge for extra luggage. I say, what? Feel good about that. But now we come here, we hear the government say, if you have things in your luggage, if you bring in a certain things, and you know, say that and that, you're gone clear. You know, some people are going to take advantage of it to each tool could go on underneath it, so, and put some things underneath it, so when I have nothing to do with where am I going to do, where am I going to help with. And I want to tell you, since I come at the people them in the other part of Jamaica ball out, say, how them are going like, say, St. Elizabeth feel it. Up to them, I talk to a security guard, them say, live up at Mavis Bank there. Terribly, I have to walk from Mavis Bank to Garden Town to go to work. So they must say, Portland have mash up place too. St. Thomas a mash up place. So people must not feel say it's one part of Jamaica get licked. The magnitude of it, St. Tina, St. Elizabeth, but other places in Jamaica need the help too. We just say that because people have said that to me. So must remember to tell the people them say it's not only St. Elizabeth get it, but over that side there to get it. This not gonna let people start to know, you know. Trust me. It's like how burial just come and gone and it just done. This what happening in Jamaica yeah, is something else, man. The Prime Minister said it will take must say $7 billion for put back things together. Me am talk about a city like Kingston or Montego Bay in a St. Elizabeth. May I tell you? So we are them people. We're going to take some phone call. If you have phone, you can call, you know. I hope people don't have no phone yet, but if you have phone, call and tell where you're going in your area or where you want happening in your area. Anything you want to talk about, we're there for you. But here we know, the government need to get all of them, open up all of them church building there. Them community center, and even the football ground them, the football field them, and put the people them in the football field them, they can get the army tent them, the army them have woolly patent. Yeah, army tent. And the church them will lock up all week. Them for open up the church them and make the people them going to the church. You know, get some things and spread in there, sheet and all them something. I mean, make the people them stay in there and get them food. Where they said we here. You know, see, because trust me, the building process, first of all, you have to clean up the place first. Yeah, and that's going to take quite a while. And then the government that talk about make Black River become looking like another Montego, not like Montego, yeah, like Montego Bay or Kingston, the third city. That is where you know, say you have to bring in foreigner again. You have to bring in foreigner again. That means the people them who live down there now, them are going to ask them to sell them land. And sell them land and go which part? Sell them land and go where? They have to stay which part them there. Build up some house. Hey, you know, so them container. You have a place on a wharf there, you know. Them use house, them use container and build some serious uptown looking house, you know. May I tell you? Because we go along the one day, I say, we're going to get one, you know. I mean, the something look, it never look like container, but you know, it's a container now. And then the breeze are going to blow that way. And it now going to leak. You understand? So, a container house, building, because you have some office now in a Kingston here where a container, them a build the office them with, you know, and board it round, make it look away. You wouldn't know it's a container. So, maybe container is another way to go when it comes on to sturdiness and make no wind blow it way. Unless you're going to have typhoon and cyclone and all them something like, little more because the way the weather go on, you know, trust me, man. Trust me. The way the weather go on, that it's ignorant. Ignorant. And as we have said, the month not done yet. Because them say November to remember. But we are called upon the people them for keep a cool head and don't get overexcited that you start to do craziness. Because we see some man hold up a land bamboo area there and I take with the people them think. People who decide they're going to leave Kingston and get van and rent van and bus for go down they go help. Man pounce on it like some little dog, which them call themselves dog anyway, like drunk crow. And take away everything where them have. I talk about them hungry. All them something there. All them something there now, you know, it put a little damp spirit in you. Meanwhile, you have foreigners. Foreigner. You have people right now. I'm Florida right now. I have a bridge in garage started and so I'm going to go down there with container. You see, I'm going to put it on the internet. Trust me, man. Him garage can't hold no. Him garage have so much things in there love to bring down. So people love Jamaica, man. People love Jamaica. Me I telling you that. Yes. Me never hear nothing happening at Jamaica. No dance, no party, no nothing. Gather so much attention like this thing here. We're going the other day. And how Jamaica, how people in foreigner react to it. Yeah, man. So we just say we have to stand firm. And that's what I say. Stand firm. Because this is not the end. It's going to be a new beginning too. It's going to be a new beginning for Jamaica. You understand? The amount of money we have flowing. The amount of money we have flowing. Every mickle make a muckle. Maybe it's bank and all in place there. I want to go, I want to do up there. With an ivy hear me now. Carry out the food, oh God. Nice,
hello.
Sir.
Yeah, man, welcome back, man.
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Yeah, man, we really sorry for what took place and to the people, man. And I hope them pull through as quick as possible. But sometimes I feel a question, God knows if God really just stop this and watch these things up, man.
See up where? Which part him there? Where him there? Which part up there?
Send up in the sky, sir. That I saw them say Muta and I'm a fool about that. You understand? I'm going to research
mythology pan top of...
But for a serious note, Muta, one, what is the government going to do about these people when things back to normal in the next 2 or 3 years? Is the government going to give these people land and deal? Or them just going to just deal again and the next time going to come again? Just like come here and ask the person at JPS, why not put the wire man under the ground? Because why? You put it up back and the next time I come next year and blur it down and then you talk about raise. Me and JPS I talk about increase no motor. And I know I don't hear Daryl Bass and nothing there. So I'm going to be over the election.
Well, them say after this thing I got increase.
You tell me now if Jamaican people can really live there no more. JPS really attack for increase. But the people them forget money, people them lose so much billions of dollars in our house. Where am I get money from for the increase? So I'm going to tell some more them black people not good enough. Because I kill the hardship I reach them, I bring hardship on top of hardship. Because everything there for everybody enjoy life, you know. How is it that JPS arrive at this attack for increase now? But the center and where's Daryl Bars now? Him don't say nothing, total silence from him and I kick up one new arrangement. What, 20?
But not on with that. A whole heap of people don't get back light yet.
That's true, Muta.
Yes, so you have to charge them for like if them go a month and then it come back now, or you have to charge them. You have to charge them for the month and the light not there. I don't know them.
I'm still charge them more time come with something. I remember them will overcharge when them forget about the money I find a way but it's for coming it will knock from a light bill. I'm tell you say them people are motor. No I mean black people not good. None. Them just tell you what them want what you want hear like some deceivers tell you want here. Where's the advice to come and tell we say look here man. Total madness. Tell me where the people might get money from. Motor. I wonder if we realize we're going down our Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth.
We realize we're going.
It's really unfortunate. No food increase, food things are increased. Government are tell you about no price gouge. Him just can't talk just like the tax fare when Daryl Bars are tell you about the tax fare for example. The Daryl Bars can't go and chat him tell you what you want here. I'm going to tell you some motor talk him at talk. Because the tax fare for a ride at $200 motor and $180.
He must say the school them now paying a school fee on the bus.
Yeah, school fee now pay tax or a decent law license now pay tax. So we're not supposed to get naive.
So tell me where you expect them to do. Tell me where you expect them to do. Tell me.
No, I thought when they will increase the bus fare from one.
Yeah, but no. All right, the dilemma will be now. Where you think them should have done? The government, yeah. What
time now? What them putting out is ease up half for the tax and make the people and build back them life. As simple as that because the people have money for paying a tax motor. Them for ease off. No, you talk about the barrel, all the thing where you pack. You ship down something in that bag of money.
Yeah, well, them say them now charge nothing until him they say the end of November, but no, him say the end of December. What do you think about that?
That's too short, motor.
What do you mean too short? How you have to, man? You know much things can come in the island between now and December. I sure you don't know what barrel.
That's true, but them know for tax because let's say a man bring a container a car parts. Them for tax that because it's not relevant. No, we are dealing with the people.
No, but nobody, but I know that them say, no, man, the people, them know idiot, man. Them
that means them know what the tax motor says people are bringing clothes and food, they exempt that.
You know that them do, that them do, them are exempt certain things. Sky, the Starlink, you know. If you bring in Starlink now, them not tax it, you know. Them not, as a matter of fact, the program right now run off of Starlink. You know, see, because me not no internet. If you go down on my road, they do all of the wire them and the light post them up on the ground. Me run over them.
I believe them Mutabaruka.
Me don't know when that I go fix.
Long lane, it's true.
Me don't know when that I go fix in no brethren. Me I tell you, you know.
So look here, it's sure we say white people, black people, and rich and poor now for come together and nobody no better nobody and work to build this thing. Everybody I feel it. That's how
I know everybody I feel watch out. Trust me, I know everybody I feel it.
Indirectly,
everybody I feel it.
Some people I feel it indirectly.
Like what you tell me now, right?
The people them where I suffer, remember say if for them life is normal enough. Other people would have benefiting us. So even if let's say I run a shop motor. I may not suffer the damage, but the people where I support get damage.
Them not come buy nothing. Them not come buy nothing. Yeah.
So that's my master now, is the government now to play them out. So the question I'm want to ask again, Muta. What is it that JP is going to do now to mitigate the problem with these light posts in the air? If they're going to run the wire now underground?
Them not do that.
And what is it the government going to do if the government going to take these people off of the flat and put them on the hill? Because them don't want to get the prime property, you know. Because this is some house, Muta, cover. I mean, I say, wow, if these people have people go around and tell say, well, disaster here, don't build this. So it's like to me,
them are fear, man. Them they tell the people them say not for build house certain place and the people them still go build it there. Them tell them for not build the house on the gully bank them or in the riverbed them and the people them still go build it and now see what you're going to so now. But
them are going to move them in full because if the government say if you broke the red light to go through the red light, this is the penalty. Though when I go through the police I stop me down the road and talk to me in there.
But you have people who have broke it every day said we, you know. I mean I tell you say if you do hey watch your man. If you look on some gully bank, me don't know all right, it's common sense, you know, common sense. You are pass a place and you never see water around there yet, but you see say it's a river. It's a dry river. And you decide say you will get some lumber now and build a house in the riverbed. They don't know say time like this will come because even if the road them look like river now, you know.
But that's desperation motor. It's true because of the building. Because when they're when they're born in the 70s, 80s, we never see these things motor. So where we go wrong now? We used to just put the water on the side of the road and we
man, I'm sorry.
But them man do them build road flat motor. Flat.
No, I'm not talking about Vietnam, man. We not talk about the road them build. We know about the road we build flat, but there's things where the people them, not the government now. The people them are going like them are idiot too. If you see
a desperation motor.
No, which desperation. All right, desperation.
But people have to live somewhere more time if them
all right, so I'm going to answer your question now. You would have a build a house in a river, dry river?
No.
Then you don't think that people know to them not for build thing in a river. Desperation, which part? Desperation, me could have poured a little more. Me not build nothing in a river. A madness.
But Muta, why them do it, Muta? Because you know all of them are idiot, Muta. It's not all of them. Why them do it? Because me not going to do it. You won't do it.
So a desperation there. Yeah, but you're going to blame the government. You're going to blame the government now because a man, after them tell them to don't build something there, so you go build it there, so now, and then you're going to blame the government when your house watch.
Muta, this is a government, them are government, pre-successive government and present government stock for a whole party because if you look on you know where for walk Muta and people just bring up start anyway. You have to walk out. Now, what a fact. People go walking the road like.
Yeah, but you know, but no say use a man now. If the government decides they're going to run them off, you're going to see them run off poor people off the sidewalk.
No,
you know you will say that.
No, Muta,
you sound like you're going to say that. You sound like you will say that.
No, me's a principal man no Muta. Because at times I have to park my car and walk. And sometimes I have to walk down the road and I'm saying it don't look good. Everywhere you go now, you see one little shack or one little box on the road. No. Get proper thing and make the people rent it, man. Most time, I'm tell you, say if you walk...
See, you can't blame the government again. You blame the government again.
The government is supposed to regulate a thing, motor.
No, but there's certain place where certain things nothing stay there.
Motor don't illegal.
Hold on. I can tell you something. You see down at Princess Street. All right. Wait there. You see when Dudus and where that brethren name again where they are prisoners.
Zeeks.
All right. You see when Zeeks and Dudus they down there. You see Princess Street. Right down to Princess Street, go right down at the bottom near to past Barrett Street. Them say no vending. And the sign over the people them, and the people them go sell all in the road. You can't drive on the road. All right. You see when Zeeks come now and say, watch out. No vending, see the sign. Watch out, the street clear. The street clear. Nobody now vend so go down there now and see if you can pass. Go down there now and see if you can pass.
Go down the motor, but so all right. So Zeke have the impact then. So why the government have the impact like Zeke? The government have the impact.
No, but when I said there's a
effectiveness.
So government have to watch what you saw every day. After them have to
police every day. If them can do it, them left it, man. Just like the man and the guard.
Yeah, but if a man...
taking up rubbish. If you can't move to the problem, is there you get the people to deal with, to mitigate the problem. If you can't mitigate the problem, leave it. Leave it alone.
All right, so if them leave it alone now, you're going to blame the government. You say, well, the government left it alone.
No, get somebody to do it, Muta, because it never go back there in 70s, 80s, never see them.
Who you get to do it? Who you get to do it? Who you get to do it? Tell me.
Motor, the first
if the police and the
mindset of the people in Motor.
Yeah, but Zeeks and Dudus make them move. Hey, watch out. You remember when they used to keep down a Spanish Town Road? Weddy. No, not Weddy, sorry. No, not Weddy, man. Weddy, Stone Love something. Well, them call anyway. You know, say.
The one who used to teach, yeah, man. The one who
all right. You know, say. When me used to come from Cutting Edge, them over the 2 o'clock, I go to the airport, I say I drive Spanish Town Road and stop easy and listen to music. I used to come out of the car and wind up the car. The man him say, brethren, where you wind up the car for, man? Nobody not trouble your car, And trust me, nobody not trouble your car,
That's true, Muta.
All right, hold on. You see, if the police now come and say, you can't partner, so you have a company radio and I say, see the people, they look at them among the people them now. Because the people them part them car now and them tell them to move it. The people them have build up things for eat a food. And them tell them so them can't build things there. So you're damn if you do and you're damn if you don't. And they say there, you're damn if you do and you're damn if you don't. And I said there's certain things that the people they must take responsibility for. Like the rubbish them up on the road. Imagine no man just come out and throw him rubbish on the side of the road. Dark come at night time. Yeah, them watch out. Yeah, the gully, yeah. Them don't throw the rubbish over the gully and left it. I don't know, say, and them say when I go eat back the rubbish when the water come and wash it.
That's true. That's why I tell you that this mindset. All right, Muta, you think you, me and you can go United States or Canada, but we are throw rubbish on the road and put up on this road. And what is it that they are doing what we now do?
This is when Jamaica go and
just set things Muta and then that's them don't enforce it. Because I tell you, the one with name all the God, him do more chatting anything that Muta things simple. All right, everybody responsible for them gate. You get dirty, there's a charge and it done there so. Look what you saw more.
Yeah, and then no one will come and say them a charge for that right and so them wicked.
We know business Muta's laws, it has served the purpose because we have it away and it get out and Muta, sometimes you have to take some jack phone and make for this thing get better. No, not taking a Jamaica. The only thing with them do now, where some me really I take serious, so them I shoot down some people and get ticket. But you have to take something seriously. All right, you go down a Chinese cemetery, Muta, pass, and I saw the rubbish before Melissa come. It's an eyesore, and we have paid these guys millions of dollars. Space is an eyesore. That's why we have everybody now build up all over the place. Why is it that the same rule now got for can't go Beverly?
But nobody now build up a cherry on the roadside. No,
so why nobody down here?
No, nobody not building nothing up a cherry garden on the roadside and not sell. It's just that simple that. There's nobody. We never pass through cherry garden yet and see rubbish.
Kingston, what do you think would happen?
What?
If the storm did come, if the hurricane would come at Kingston,
yeah.
What do you think would happen like Gilbert? Though it's everybody to one and it now was paying up. Some people may fortunate enough for them also damaged, but just imagine if we get the storm, you reckon at Kingston.
Yeah.
Poor man not got no light in the water, rich man not got no light in the water. Naturally, man have him belcom. All right? So when we are trying to say, we have to have a system where we are the people, black, white, rich or poor. I don't really like white people anyway. All right, let me ask you a
question. Wait there. Yeah, a time check. At 2 minutes past 11. This up, bro, because this is so weird. All right. It's a cherry garden. I drive through cherry garden for reach a Barbican. I don't drive go down Kansas Spring Road. And when I drive through cherry garden, I never see nobody a sell on the side and build up no little thing. A cherry garden and a sell on the side of the road. I mean, never see garbage without a container where they like them build some little container and put the garbage. I never see that happen yet. Now, tell me now, where is it that is the government cause the people them to throw the rubbish on the side of the road?
No, I had not seen.
All right, so wait, all right. So if the people them throw the thing on the side of the road, and you now come and say, if you not throw the and them if them charge a man for litter and I come on the road, you're gonna say, see a man, imagine them a throw people and a lock up man for litter, and then you have man who a drive car and to go. It's like. You're damn if you do and you're damn if you don't. Come if you see them should have lock up people if you lick on the street. A man a drink all that away them plastic bag and throw it right in front of you.
I'm gonna see my man in car, taxi man throw it back and I say, wow,
every time, all the while.
You never get me come out of my car, motor and go urine on the road. Never. And I don't know.
You have some man up, that's why the light pole them rotten now.
Catch your breath, thank you, motor. I mean, so what really, it's like technology, I think worse. I mean, so what really, when them people are drinking it, why these people operate that way. The rubbish, the urine. No, but motor, if I'm going to
the driving on the road.
Thank you. The man who drive on the opposite side and you talk to him and tell him to go lollipop your mother. I mean, I say,
so that means where the government for do?
Remember, so the government is there no more. The government is there to implement and to enforce and to protect, you know.
Yeah, but when the government implement the thing, a man tell him for suck him mother.
Yeah, but Muta, how is it that in a Canada country the discipline there and we have it? What is it? We have to find the problem, and then once we can identify the problem, now we have to mitigate the problem. Muta can't continue so Muta. So it's like you build something, you know, so the river come down and wash it away. What is the solution? And these guys are the guys that go university and highly educated, you know. So when them go university for to learn to teach?
Anyway, we have to move.
Yeah, man, long life, man.
Some of them. All right,
most of them.
Yes.
Respect, yeah, man.
Yeah, all right, sir. Give thanks, yeah? Yeah. That's terrible thing we find yourself in. Anyway, I could play this song, yeah. See some taxi man come over up on the right of the road and I pass you, flash past you and block up the road, you know. Because as them come out of the line, so, you know, one bus will come up the road and them have to try to squeeze you out now for come back at the line. Now, Mr. Police stop a whole heap of man on the road. The police them can't say all of them. The police can't say everybody, you know, because meanwhile they might do this, you know, down near to Manor Park. Him catch two man and do it and pull them over. But you have some man now where they might come down. It's just a thing. No, them can't say everybody. So there's a certain discipline where it's lacking in a certain mindset. And let me say it, certain mindset people, just like, I don't know if I call them Rasta. So, I can't see where a man say, he might try to stop these things from happening on the road. But you have some man, him not, and you see, if you catch him, I'm exactly what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you about your mother. And then I say, but wait, how that goes so? Look on the road. Imagine a man live on a road. And every yard on the road, when you look in at the front of the yard, you see pure rubbish in front of the yard. Look how much jumping over Riverton City. Jumping over Riverton City like, wow, them blue jumping there now. If you can't build something, it should have one of your yard a tight chain around it that nobody no move because that's it. You put the jump there and a man and roll it way. Then they have the metal one time. Man take it to go cut it and go make jerk chicken pan and all them something there. And them thing there, the Jamaican people go out with. And when you go out fire, when they reach a fire, them is like Christians. I'm not going to say Christians again, you know, because Christians have sometimes worse. But when the people that are firing them stop at the stoplight, you know, so they are firing if you drive too slow on the highway, them can charge you. Yeah, man, it happened to me already. Yeah, man, you drive too slow, them charge you. You're supposed to go a certain miles per hour. And you go low below that, them charge you. Now, Jamaican people, them go foreign, them do everything right, proper. They want to give only the seat for the subway. That's it. They think they are the up of Jamaica. Oh, it's possible. Oh, it's possible. Oh, it's possible that a man mindset is one way in a film country. And when him go to next man country, it's a different mindset him have. We don't understand that. You see a man who live in the garrison them and get to, you know. Or him go on in the garrison them and get to them. When him go and get to them in a New York, Bronx, and Brooklyn, a different way him wave, you know. Total different way. When him they are kind of like worse. Him is like the Pope. How we going to bring that to the level now where people understand that? Because right now, look how Jamaica stay now. Most people are head for going to St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland for go help. Most when you hear them I say, boy, no matter what, them are going to do so what them can do, but help. And we reach a stage now where we put out all the effort now for go help. When it done now, back to madness again. Fight them to come to Jamaica. But here we now. Remember when the COVID, certain hotel had open up, and that me call the government for do. Certain place where I go lock up because nobody not in the hotel. You can't give couple room. You do have to lock up. But you can't donate couple room if the hotel not full. To make some people come sit down in there. It's just that. Make them put them family and thing in the people who know them have family and young baby and all them something there. You have some hotels supposed you can open up them doors and put them in there. You know, see it. Just like the church them. You have some church who go open on Sunday. Then for open the church them and put the people them in there. That me I say. And you have other places as you go on, you can remember some other places where at this moment in time, anything that can alleviate and ease the situation of the people them, we need to examine it. We want some place to rest. You can't ease up half of the church Sunday too. That's Saturday. Nobody tell me about say we have to go to church on Sunday. A madness. And you have to go to church on Saturday. A joke business. Who needs you have some, according to the Bible, the good Samaritan. Who was made for what? Was the Sabbath made for man or mad make for the Sabbath? Which one? And right now, people in dire need. So all those places them I talk about church. So how the church are going to work now? By helping people who is in dire need. That we are talking about. You know, see it? And them place where we never use, you know, them, you have some place where they want the place, man, where can help. You know, we are talking about no convenience to make people stay at them place there. We don't know how long it will last though, but the way me look on the thing down there, so trust me, that nah go on for now, that nah go get back together for now. I mean, I say it because I want to be weird or terrible, but that now get back for now. May I tell you? So them people there, you see which parts of the place broke down, build up something there right there, so and don't make nobody come to you about say you have to move because you have to sell the place and all that. So that's madness. Madness. Because that look like that what happen now. Them want to sell out all of the land them now through the people them. Now have nowhere for stay upon your land and wait till help come, because help will come. Yes, help will come. We take a break and come forward. Break time.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. Irie FM.
Yes, we are playing up on the cutting edge. As well. Yes, El.
El Mutabaruka.
Blessed man.
Yeah. Like the country get a chance to reset, and as you just say a while ago, the people are not to move out of them place.
Yeah.
You understand? Because if you move out, you might come see someone else occupy your space when you return.
Man, see a 10-story building there.
You see it. Yeah, man, come here, some family living on the other side of the world there, you know, and most of them lose a whole heap of things. You know.
Yeah.
Most of them lose a whole heap of things. Who don't lose them roof, lose all them house. Who house not gone, it's shut out. But I think when me I raised with my cousin with the other day, it's like, them did have a flood, a big rain down there in about 86. So I remember as a youth, I go down there, I was fishing all the yard and them thing there. Where the crocodile them did them time there? Because me used to tell in the water, I know crocodile never do me nothing.
No, but crocodile, people go take boat just go look on the crocodile, them are black.
Yeah, I know, but me I say, them time then me a youth. Me never, so, yeah, you know.
No, man, them there, man. I don't know where them there now. Them could all walk up and down town and all them way there. I look some feet.
Is I reset the country get so
You know, maybe we have to adjust it this time. Like me and the Virgin, the Virgin we talked to you earlier, the parliament for that thing. But you see, we have to try breaking the thing from the youth. We have to establish a curriculum where develop for the promotion of Jamaican values and determine what is the values, determine what kind of society we want.
Tell me what is Jamaican value? When you say Jamaican values, what is Jamaican values?
No, me can't determine that. Me alone can't determine that, you know. When me,
but you say Jamaican value. I say you must have an idea what is Jamaican value.
In my opinion, right?
Yeah, man, your opinion, man.
Yeah, so my opinion, me that like say a society where people can live and strive and respect one another, you know what I mean? And we still have certain cultural aspect of our society where certain things are Jamaican that we not bring in. Because me no believe, say, the rampant LGBTQ agenda we are pushing at Jamaica, I don't believe it's a part of our culture. And I know we fight against anybody. But we have to, if we don't want it in our culture, we have to do something about it, in my opinion. You understand? And the people have to learn for respect our neighbor. And it's just some things where we lose out of society. It's like the people, nobody no respect nothing. Anything goes. You know what I mean? The youth them just say anything. The people them just do anything.
Yeah.
Like talk about the rubbish from the road. The people them just, you know, we have to determine, you know what I mean? What is where we want. Where direction we want the society for going up, you know? Because this world where we are living in now, people, enough of we just sit down and watch and I think we are just surface people in our see the deeper game we are playing now. You know? See them man here start threatening Nigeria, them are threatening Venezuela, like them off it. But think them that attack Venezuela and the
everywhere, man. Everywhere I get threat.
You know, so, but we have
everywhere I get threatened.
Yeah, but the thing with me, I say most of the ordinary people. If you ask ordinary Jamaican why go in Venezuela, them don't know. Because guess what? In the on them timeline, all up on them timeline, on them social media feed, I just some little stupidity. You know, so them understand it, and that's why I have to rate people like
the way you follow
thing up on the foreground.
Really? Let me tell you something about the social media thing there. You say if you keep a watch the dancehall artists, them, more you get more dancehall artists that come up on it. If you watch flowers and things, you see different flowers that come up. So that is where rank catch you them now, because whenever I watch a gossip about which artists I do this, more of them come up on it, you know.
Yeah, but sometimes and then that's why somebody have to said to you them say, yo, sometimes you have to just skip that man and just intentionally break and go look for some positive. Cause you have to do it because the algorithm now go send it so you have to consciously, intentionally break yourself from where you are see every day. You understand? Because, I mean, me watch a whole heap of thing and a whole heap of thing come up on my feed, but me break and you know, me have some positive things where me have to put in my mindset, because I know, say, you know, me can't follow where I go on every day, because one day I might just wake up and then me not have nothing to wake up to. Me lose my house, everything where me have. You understand? Because so them thing they are run. You know, the people just are sleepwalking with them eyes.
Well, right now, you can't blame nobody for we going down so. Around ya so. Nobody. I hear people that talk about God and this and that and that. Nature don't know nothing about Christianity, Muslim, Rasta, nothing.
Yeah, me say me have a bridge.
Yeah, Rasta about, you know. I pray with John for John.
Yeah, me have a bridge and the man.
Do with nothing.
You see the man post thank God and something, and then me check the man lose all him grandmother on the same day when the storm go on, and the man say it could have worse, you know. What me I say, Jano, you know, you lose your grandmother and the storm destroy your house, and you know. Yeah, I just one of them things. Both big up yourself, you know. Keep up the good work. Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Blessed, yeah?
Yeah, man, and the holiest king, so me love, you know. We get fear, but that's all.
Yes, the world upside down, man. May I tell you about crime round still. Which part is up and which part is down? That's the problem. Ecological calamity. So we go to break and come forward. Break time. Break time.
The time on Irie FM is...
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. Irie FM, Irie FM, Irie FM.
Yes, give thanks for there with you. Yeah, man, give thanks for that. Give thanks to the one who lent me the Starlink, that's what them call them, Elon Musk things. Why help Elon Musk, you know? Elon Musk things they all over the world, you know, them remote area, can still catch up Wi-Fi and all them something and even run the program, you know. Yes, El.
Good night, Muta.
Good night.
How are you doing?
I'm doing quite okay. Now that I hear you, I even feel better now.
Do I have such great impact for you to feel much better?
Of course. Just your voice.
What's the
alone,
impact?
Man. Eh?
Why do you think I have such impact?
If I tell you that now, you never get to talk with what you call fast.
Okay. I just want to say good night to all Jamaicans who are listening and who have been affected by this hurricane. And I am actually in St. Elizabeth, but I am not greatly impacted by the hurricane. I am.
Which part of St. Elizabeth you there? Which part of St. Elizabeth?
I live in Goshen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mountaintop, lad.
No, this is flat.
Oh, that's so which part of the flat?
I'm below Pepper Dairy Farm. Do you know where Gutters is?
I pass it, but I don't know it.
Well, I am actually below Pepper.
Okay.
The first district after Pepper, which is called Content Goshen.
Yes, okay. So people get mashed up around there, really? People get mashed up around there, which part are you there? Big mash up?
Yeah, some people get mashed up, but not a lot
Terrible.
of persons. Yeah.
Okay.
Some roads were dug out and zinc fell from some roof and, the lights have just been reinstalled by the Jamaica Public Service. Yeah.
So you get back light now then?
Yeah, lights just came back on tonight.
And you use your cell phone, that means you get back Wi-Fi and all them something there?
No, I am actually using using data. I'm not sure about the Wi-Fi. I didn't check on that. Hello?
Reggae Radio, Irie FM.
All right. Sister get cut off a while ago.
Are you still hearing me?
Yeah, I know I hear you again. I will get cut off. I just talk about internet service. If I use a cell, that means I have internet service.
I have data. I told you I have data on the phone.
Oh, I never hear. Cut off. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. I didn't get to listen from the start of the program, but what I wanted to talk to you about is what do you really feel happened in regards to the hurricane that just passed Jamaica? Because a lot of persons are saying that this hurricane is not natural, it is actually man-made. So I wanted to find out what are your views on it.
No, I don't know view upon it more than a hurricane come like Jamaica. I'm vexed about it. I don't know view. It's a view.
Are you vexed about it?
To me, it's natural. It's a natural thing.
Oh.
It's nature.
But why would you be vexed about something that is natural?
No, when I say vexed about it, it's because we're not here now, where people attack.
I believe it is man-made.
You think it's man-made, all right?
Yeah, I think it is well-designed and orchestrated by people who want to have a foot in Jamaica. They use this as an opportunity to get into Jamaica.
Half of the social media you get that, don't it?
Not really.
Somebody put that in your head from social media, man.
No, it's my intuition.
Is that intuition you have?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
and the thing about it is, for them to usher, you see, Jamaica is a very tough society to deal with. And for them to usher certain things in the society at this point in time, they will have to use natural disaster to get the people to accept certain things.
So Burley, what do you call it? The one, Beryl was what?
Melissa.
No, Beryl. Beryl was, yeah. No, wait, no, man. Beryl was not nature. Is man make that too?
I couldn't tell you. I don't know what these guys are up to.
No, but you differentiate between knowing say Beryl is not man-made, but this one is man-made because it do more damage.
It do more damage and it couldn't be a category 5 hurricane.
Why?
It has to be greater than that. Or it come with some other
you mean it has to be greater than category 5? That is scientifically understood that it wasn't a category 5 hurricane, it was greater.
Yeah, it cannot be a category 5 hurricane.
Tell me, what is the difference between a category 5 and a one where greater?
Well, the experience that I had with category 5 hurricane did not behave like this.
Where you get that? Where you experience a category 5 hurricane?
I experienced category 5 Beryl did be last year.
No, sir. Yeah,
what was it? Category 4?
It was 4 way.
Which part? What was it?
No, wait, no. Yeah, make some things I know where. Me know that it going to start now, Me know exactly say that it going to start. Say, as somebody I try, it's a conspiracy against Jamaica. Hurricane, when it leak, when it leak, what them call it? When the one when it leak, America, North Carolina and them places.
Katrina.
Yeah, what happened to that? Is man make that too?
Well, man can't do anything, Munta.
No, me never say man can't do anything, but me just ask you if a man did do that. So which other hurricane leak where them can say is man-made? Which other one? Tell me one where other one you know about.
Probably all of them are man-made. Because I was looking at
nature have nothing to do with nothing then.
Nothing to do with it. Scientists them are experiments on people's life.
All right.
These things that you hear people talking about have some truth to it, because even with the COVID-19 pandemic, and when we were saying that, yes, this was that and that, then we now find out that these guys really misled us. So they can do just about anything. It is a time of deception now in life, where our eyes have to be open up and understand what is
COVID, what was it? What were them to tell you about COVID? Why you say it?
Well, then they tell me about COVID.
Yeah.
They tell me say the vaccine has how much efficacy in a like 99%.
How much what?
The vaccines that were administered and the people had how much efficacy, how much effectiveness in it, and when you really find out, nothing like that.
What is efficacy? What you talking about?
How you mean what me talking about?
Let me ask you, what you said
efficacy it means that the vaccine is saying that it has certain amount of effectiveness. It will help you. Did it help the people? Did it help the people?
You know anybody will take it?
Yeah, me know people will take it and dead.
You don't know somebody will take it and not dead. You never hear nobody take it and not dead.
They're not ready for dead yet.
so anybody will dead know how to take the vaccine and the vaccine kill them.
Yeah, they kill them, yes.
So nobody now dead again, just dead?
Not dead. It have to be either a vaccine or a vaccine related or something. It's actually soaking and sinking in right now.
Okay. So all the people that me know will take it and go dead tomorrow.
Dead. They shall die. All die.
All of we are go dead, sister.
Dead.
No vaccine all who take
it are go dead.
Then all who not take it now go dead.
Well, yes, they can die, but...
So all you decide that the vaccine kills somebody? No. All you decide that vaccine kills somebody?
All right, you will see a young person, vibrant, young and vibrant, and going strong, well, everything, nothing never happened to a person. And after the administering of the vaccine, you realize that person begin to take sick. Muta, let us be realistic, man. All
right, may I ask you know anybody who young and take it and still alive?
Yes.
And
but suffering. They will tell you how much complaints they have. They will tell you they don't feel good in their body anymore.
And the vaccine cause it. And the vaccine cause it. Okay.
We on a back a wall with we have eyes and we have ears and God make us with knowledge. We were born with knowledge. We're not stupid.
We're born with knowledge or we acquire knowledge?
Well, we acquire it and we're born with it.
You're not born with knowledge, man. You acquire knowledge.
All right, sorry.
No, you don't have to say sorry. Because, anyway. So you said this thing I know is somebody put it far away.
Yes.
Who like
they want to break the spirit of Jamaica. They want to confuse us. They want us to live and be hungry. They want us to be reliant.
Who want to do that? Who want to do that? Who want to do that? Where are from?
The elite.
Which elite?
The elite.
Yeah,
the boys.
You mean in Jamaica?
The boys them who say them run the earth. The boys them who say them run the world.
Like who? Like who, sir?
You can't call no name on your program, Muta.
Why not? Why? Oh, you mean?
No, me no want to program for me.
Anyway, all right. So the elites put the where them call it
them
upon Jamaica.
Them a work. They wanted their footing in Jamaica. They wanted to be here a long time.
Yeah. So now them get a chance to do it.
Yeah, now they get this.
So why them do it? No one never do it last year when Melissa come because
they're working with an agenda. They're working with an agenda, and they are working against. Listen, what is happening to the awakening of the people is worrying the people, the reptilians.
So you never worried them last year when Mary come?
No, man, they worried them from long time, but them getting more perfect with things,
No, but we have said burial was what then? Burial was a test.
Test run.
Burial was a test. Eh?
Test run, yeah.
Oh, burial is a test run.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So all them earthquakes.
You don't understand that these guys, they work in fields. They work by stages.
Okay.
They don't just work.
So the next hurricane will come now. Everybody are dead.
Me can't tell you.
Then you tell me about the other one. Yeah?
Can't tell you about that.
You're not supposed to keep up with the thing, man.
Yeah, keep up with it.
One of them creepy. Mine an earthquake creeping by one night and shake down your house,
I might be that is in the agenda too. That is about to happen.
So wait there now. Let me ask you a question now. You believe in a God?
I believe in a creator. A God can be anything. A God.
All right. You believe in a creator. All right. Yeah. Me understand what you say. Listen to me now.
Yeah.
All right. The creator is the creator where you believe in her. Is it make lightning, rainfall, breeze blow, dog, cat, puss, man? It make all of them things there.
Yeah.
Creator it name.
And the creator is perfect love. And the creator is perfect.
So when the breeze blow now, so when breeze blow,
yeah,
it's not the creator do that.
Yes, it is the creator. It's a part of nature itself.
So when so when rain fall, the creator make the rain fall.
Part of nature.
Oh, it's part of nature, not the creator.
It's part of nature.
It's
creation and it's part of nature.
You say creator, I mean about creation. Part of nature. What is when rain fall and when earthquake come? Is creator do that? Is not creator do it? When that creator do it. When the rain fall, is creator do that?
Yeah. A man can also do it too. And man can also do it too because man can also do it too because them tell you about the seeding of the clouds and all of these things too.
No, we're not going to some. I'm not talking about the creator we are talking about.
Yeah.
So anything where your creator do, man can do it. That's
only
what I say. Anyway, your creator do, man can do it too.
What things man can do?
No. Anything where your creator...
I didn't say anything.
Listen to me, I said, no, man.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. But man can also do a lot of
no, me I ask you. Me never say you said. Me I ask you.
Not anything,
all right,
everything, you know. Not everything, you know, but they can do things. They can modify things. They can engineer things.
All right, tell me one thing where the creator can do, where man can do. Tell me one thing where the creator can do, where man can do.
Life in man and man become a living soul or whatever people might say.
So all them put things in a artificial intelligence and make them behave like man same way.
Yeah, they behave like man, but they are not man. It's just a behavior.
No, but
they are not
so
man.
what is the difference? I don't ask you because them are
just a behavior. They are artificial.
Yeah, but them not call them man.
One is natural. One is artificial.
So the artificial make it different?
Yes, the artificial make it different. It
give you the same information. You know, say, all right, you know, say your cell phone have more information and produce more information at a faster pace than what you say the creator make.
Well,
you from out of your phone.
Yeah.
You can do what the phone can do in terms of memory.
Oh.
Yeah, my voice.
Yeah, I hear
anyway, give thanks, yeah?
Give thanks to have a good night.
Reggae Radio, IRE FM.
Would I like your information about this hurricane where them say a man cause it for them want to control Jamaica so them bring the hurricane come down. A whole heap of people think that. Whole heap of people. Because it now all over the what them call it, social media. Social media, it's your cell phone. As they take it up, you see them and show you the conspiracies them we are going now and how it come about and all them things they know. So why man just throw away the God thing, you know. And I tell you about long time, say, guys, really man, I do everything, you know. Anyway. I wonder if anybody hear me. I don't even know if anybody hear me. 12 o'clock, on the dot.
Brothers and sisters, this is Charlie.
Yes.
Join us with respect for our national anthem. Let us stand and defend this one. Peace.
Everybody want to help out. Yeah, help out. Jamaicans want to help. This is the time of helping.
IRE FM really rocking, you know.
So, prepare for her. Sister Nanny and Mr. Brown coming to, Sister Nanny, Missy coming to Montego Bay. So prepare for her. Okay. So you want security in the street, them, you know. We want security because some man are going like say, him not understand where I'm going, you know. People are trying to help people and them are trying to take away the help from the people them who really need it. Hey, I don't want somebody misinterpret my argument with that after about the COVID thing, you know. Yes. I personally believe, say, the COVID vaccine kill all heap of people. But I know, say, don't kill more people than we take it. In other words, more people who take it still there with we. Whole heap of people dead because them take it because of complications where them have. Yes, it's like you take certain tablet and you have a complication and it kind of depress you more. Well, the COVID vaccine, which I stay far from, I know a whole heap of people will take it and them have function quite okay, quite all right. And yet still I know people who take the vaccine and I hear say the vaccine kill them. I not taking it. You understand? And I know say the flood there now. I know a whole heap of people house stand up same way. And yet still you have thousands of people house will blow away. And dead too. So, me don't know. God kid us high. Security in the streets. Why some security in the street, man? Believe you me. As I said before, people still have WhatsApp me. The people of Jamaica must remember, say it's not just St. Elizabeth alone feel it. You have people lose their house in St. Thomas, Portland, and Clarendon. Yes. You have people who lose it. And you still have people who water take over them house in a Kingston here too. So the people them a tell me, say must remind the people them a ball out for help. Yes, them want help too.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. IRIA FM. IRIA FM. IRIA FM. IRIA FM.
Yes, we're there already up on the cutting edge. I go through the pieces. As I say, we take phone call. We started from the program start. So if you have anything to say, no matter what, you can call and talk and say it. You understand? Yes, Ian.
Yes. Good night. Move on the rest of Jamaica and the world. I like how music can I play with Jimmy Cliff there. The Children Bread. Was it food to a dog?
Children Bread, yeah. Children Bread, yeah.
Good. This, they want to come from burial, you know. There's some people that complain after burial blow and some things that give out and man from about every decision made here, but one of them is a family house a representative. You know what checking for things. You must tell people them say they know vote for him. So me I say now, you see.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, when me I say no, me never use that already as drunkard. But me no mean drunkard must go for a part of the population. That person that was worse than drunkard, but treated people him like that. Burial. In a burial storm last year. I don't want that person, and none of those persons in this thing right now, you know. Because right now, Muta, a person in the House of Representative, and I tell people that them, you know, a destructive thing to go through, you know. And people to get benefit, and I will look on people and tell them, say, they don't vote for you. You see a person like that Muta?
Yeah.
When we want the people...
You know how we attack still?
Eh? Yeah?
You know how we attack?
Yeah, well, we're not calling no name. But let me say, people...
No, we're not calling no name.
No, we're not calling no name. People, we don't listen and know. A person like that, you see, anytime he come around again when they have nomination day and them have them big meeting, right? That person now you know people. That time is when they have the big meeting, the media is there, the camera is there. You see, anytime I go past stage there, at the same time I want to walk in upon that, whether him or she are walking upon that. They use no weapon. So fist, lick and fight and see can make them know to come off. Because this slap me, sir.
Who are going to do that? Who are going to do that?
All right. Anyone, the same person, then what the person talk about, he must vote for. right? Because you can't in the House of Representatives, you know, and things come with the people. And you go look for people and tell them that. That means that in my worse than a drunk club. So, when I say people, any one of them will not handle the situation. When you come on to that big meeting, they keep when they call it rally and this and that. Anytime I go up on stage, I jump on stage with them shame time because they can't be there, you know.
Well, you know, so if you start fight, you will go to jail.
Well,
you will go to jail for that, though.
Well, I don't know, you go to talk what cause it. And then that was a strong,
no, whether you cause it or not, assault is different from a man word that said something to you.
Then, well, I know, you left people suffer and dead. Which one was that?
No, you said the man say. I say any man will come on the stage and say them something there. Man should have just beat him.
Yeah, man, you jump on the stage and lick him for the crowd, everybody, the camera.
Yeah, but no, you're going to go to jail for it. But, Bridget, you're going to go to jail for that.
Yes, we know what you're going to jail, but you're going to take from. Because it's like it's supposed to happen, Muta.
Yeah, but...
It's going on now. It's going on right now. And he's getting hungry now, you know, because he's going to happen again now, you know. I mean, like, nobody talking, but me say, I don't want a person like that. I'm going to tell you, you know. If me did that so far, man, tell me that, you know, I'm going to put with it. Right? Right before the crowd, before the media and everything, I'm going to wake up from. And also, then you see one side and lick him, you know. Before the crowd, everybody, then it must be much crowd. There's thousands there. You understand? Through jail, you know, see it. You're going to suffer people. You understand? That me no like that. I come like a drunk rock cookie people, them. You know, drunk rock cookie, not like cookie, you get that to be dead fast, that's for them. And that's what I mean, you know, me not call out people. The attitude, the stigma. I do not like it. Right? I'm telling you from the House of Representatives of people. Right? People like yourself, you know. Right? Like say, you know, bathe in the water, like your natural morning water. That's out.
All right, sir. You say what I say. You say what I say. We have to leave you now. You say what I say. Okay?
All right. Give thanks.
All right. Yeah. The man vex. The man vex. Serious vexation that. So, we're there so now. What we're going to do with there so? We will take the phone call them still. Yeah, we will take the phone call them still and go through. Yes, EL.
Muta.
Oh, you know, man?
What, man?
There, man.
The girl Melissa.
I tell you, I don't want to hear about Melissa again. If I walk on the road and a woman say, where your name, sister? She say, Melissa, me a run.
I hear you. But you know, I, we are going to rebuild and be even stronger than before. You know what I mean? Yes.
Yeah, well, it's going to rebuild.
Eh?
No, things are going to rebuild, man. We know that without that doubt, it's going to rebuild.
Yeah, man. For real. And things. So, we just, and of course, we have to be aware of the scammers, them. Because they have, you know, every time when you have disasters, you have people who try to exploit that, you know?
Yeah. And that just I said too, so we have to watch it. Watch how you send money go this and watch how you send money. I better you send goods right now, you know, things. I better you gather things rather than money because the mad people are...
And when we're concerned, when we deal with, we send directly to people who we know.
Yeah.
In need. People who we know who are in need, so you know, personally, you know what I mean? And them we are there. Yes, yesterday was where them called Guy Fawkes thing here in England, the 5th of November, but it's also the mother birthday anniversary. Because my brother born the 5th of November, so I always remember that, you know what I mean? And thing, you know?
Yeah, man, give thanks, give thanks. Yes, I said, Andrew, they get stripped, man.
Eh? Yes, him
get
get
stripped
stripped
totally. Me not talk about who I know all this, I talk about Prince Andrew.
No, I know that. He is the Andrew Windsor. Andrew Windsor.
Yeah, I'm not the prince again. I'm the prince again.
Yes. Deservedly so too. You know what I mean?
Tell you, man.
And yeah.
What them for do, them for carry him go back in America and put him in front of a court and make him talk with him know and see how much people name him or call.
Yes, I agree with you. Totally. I agree with you. Totally.
You saw them man, they lie, Rasta. You saw all you talk about people are lying. You see them man, they big man.
Lie.
Son of the Queen, Torated.
But you know the reason why Charles do that, you know? It's not just him do Andrew that is to protect the whole family, including himself, you know, because people are saying that them make the place be a republic, which, you know, I am a Republican, and get rid of this whole monarchy thing that have so many privileges. You know what I mean? Taxes where them not pay. Them not pay inheritance tax. Them own the coast in Britain, just like how the coast in Jamaica, despite Jamaica supposedly being independent.
Hold on, we're going to take a break. We're going to take a break. We're going to take a break and come forward. Take a break. Okay.
The time on Irie FM is...
Yeah, time is 12:30.
Irie FM.
Yes. We're there with you. I go through the paces.
Yeah.
Now the bridge in here, we're going to play them. They're on the cruise. They're on the cruise. And, well, I have a play. Mandingo.
What? Yes.
All right.
2 Mondays.
No, we'll talk about Andrew brother, the Andrew brother.
Yes, Andrew Mount.
Get demoted.
Stripped titles, yes. And I'm saying that Charles is doing it not to save the whole monarchy, because people are saying it's not just Andrew, but the whole monarchy system is wrong, dictatorial, and them have privileges and things that they should not have. You know what I mean? Because there's not no equality in terms of the wealth that them have and privileges and that type of thing. So he might do that to try save the whole family, but people are increasingly saying that it's not just Andrew, but the whole royal family should go, you know, that the place should be a republic, and I agree with that. And more so, that Jamaica must be a republic, because we still have the British monarch as the head of state owning the beaches in Jamaica and all kind of things, you know, for real, you see. So, that is the situation, you know. And Muta.
Yes.
Yeah. Sad news of 2 Mondays ago, the 27th of October, that reggae singer Vivian Jones, who lived in London, England, died in Jamaica. You know? Very, very, very sad, you know? And then we got the news that Barry G died also, you know? And two Wednesdays ago, you remember scientist, the engineer from King Tubby's? Yes, he performed at the Jazz Cafe in Camden Town, London. And you know the Jazz Cafe because that's a place you have been to more than one time. Yeah, man, you know. And good performance. He was on a tour here, good performance, and you know, I was the MC who brought him on stage and so. But talking about medical things, Muta, you see on the high street, them have some people who set up themselves that them doing scanning of women, and they are not registered and qualified, and they have been misdiagnosing women, which is running serious risk to women's life. Like, for example, they're not able to spot when a woman has ectopic pregnancy, that is pregnancy in the tube, and there's also cases whereby them saying babies are blood clots and not babies. All kind of wrong diagnosis. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
it is dangerous and deadly. And
so what
this is something that has come to light, that
the authorities are
the radiographers, people who are qualified and trained, are saying that the government should clamp down on this type of thing and stop it. You know what I mean? Because like anybody can just have some scanning equipment and set up and say that them are sonographers, for real.
Yeah.
So it's a dangerous thing to people's health. And Muta, what a thing in the Sudan, man, Al-Fasha, the murder of our African people, men, women and boys by the Arab
talking
Muslim
about genocide. Talking about genocide, Toronto.
Yes.
That's a genocide at the highest level, lowest level.
Yes. Serious genocide, by these Arab Muslim. Them talking about genocide in Gaza. And look what happened in the Arab Muslim Janjaweed, supported by Abu Dhabi, the United Arab Emirates state, and that thing there. But we know it's over 1,000 years Arab Muslims have been involved in the enslavement and murder of African people. You know what I mean?
Yes, I tell you.
You see? And our people need to be armed, because as Marcus Garvey says, only one thing that our enemies understand is force. Because the only thing that could save our people and can save our people have to be armed to be able to defend themselves. For real. Too
much religion, man. Too much religion.
Yeah, too much religion, man. Because too much of our people to have been mentally enslaved to put religion, whether it's Christianity or Islam or whatever, before the interests of them African race. Serious thing. Serious thing. And that's why we as Pan-Africanists have to keep pushing that what must always come first, as Marcus Garvey said, is race first, is what is of benefit and interest for our people as African people, Very, 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 very serious where that is concerned.
I give thanks, brethren. We're going to move.
All right. So keep on with the good work and keep me posted and thing. All right?
Yeah, man. All right, blessed.
Blessed love. Every time. All bless up Shane and all ones listening and supporting the cutting edge from the Mandingo. Bless up.
All right. So, will I tell you about this, brethren, when they're on the boat? As him a perform, so, well, before him go up on the stage, maybe me there on the stage and go on the side of the stage, them tell him, say, him house damage, terrible damage. And furthermore, now the house where him have him 3 little youth, them in you know, say, if you dip on the waters, and you hear that, the news there, Rasta, the youth still perform, him never stop. Because I've been at the first part-time performance, him hear the news, Now, more yell him up, more yell him up. Warrior King, more yell you up, brethren. Yes.
The time on IRI FM is?
The time is 15 minutes to 1 o'clock. We are play Warrior King who get a news panel board say him house blow away and him picking them supposedly in the house. I don't know what happened since that, but if something long to you them would have a long time, so I don't know.
Reggae Radio, Irie FM.
My sister sent me a book about Empress Menin. I'm going to read it next week on the program, yeah. The question is, if nothing else not happen differently, I'm going to read it next week. Empress Menin, believe you me. Good reading, make good reading. And I like share it to the people, just like how somebody share it with me. I want to share it with them. Yeah. Empress Menin. You know only Empress Menin? Emperor Haile Selassie wife. Yes. Man called Warrior King say him love with the Empress, whether she not clothes or out of clothes. You think him easy. Yes. Okay. I will still take the call them. Now we know so the food them will get away, you know. Yes. The food thing I will get sticky. We are talking about the vegetable them will wash away, water, dig them out. Plant again, I go away. But the plant them just start coming out after the same burial thing there. And now it will go gone again. We have said, do my people them who plant food, fi send go a market and them place there. We know someone going to raise the price, you know, but don't murder a man. Don't murder we. Not because, but still for all. Don't get out of hand. Because now you look at bread. Because your bread, your house could all wash it too. And your feet, you know, you have to go make it back quick. With some planting and some vegetable. I mean, like you want to take away a man's house now. Because you have to go get the money to go buy the food. So we just ask, you know. For just, you understand? Yes. We know what our raise, you know. We know what our raise, but you can't raise it till the way that Saturday morning, you know, I sell nothing, and then you have to go home back with the food Saturday evening. Because that happened to a woman the other day, you know. She started saying, we say, yeah, I saw you sell the plant them cheap. She said, yeah, man, we just rain and fall, Muta. Yeah. See, now that Tony say, you know, say rain and fall, that means what? She don't want to go back home with them, that's why she'll sell them out. So we don't want that reach, you know, because the rain will stop falling, you know. We don't know about your era, you know, but rain will tear down at my place, not now, but today, yesterday, the day before. So we just tell you, say, you know, take time with me. Those of us who have to go buy vegetables in the market, take time with me, or even on the roadside. Ease up. Don't get greedy. Because we know the greedy things there, especially when it comes on to we Jamaican people, we love take advantage of situations. Like how people know how thief people things. Hey, them will fly. Them don't give nobody, you know. Them say them can't make a money out of the same thing. Them not give nobody, and say a man house blow off. And him find something. Him not go say, why master house blow off, and I'm going to get something, kind of, go carry go give him to put on back on the house top. No, man, I'll sell it. Sell it more than for a brand new thing too. Because zinc price would have raised too. Because you know them capitalists, they not them big companies, they know. They might take the opportunity now for raise certain thing. Like nail. Yes. Like hammer. You know, like just some little things now. So we have to beware of price gorging. Yes. They might sell the price at some
Reggae Radio, Irie FM.
2 years' time, 3 years' time, We will talk about it like how we talk about Gilbert. Wild Gilbert. We will talk about it like that. And people are going to remember some bitter times. Everybody start laugh. Everybody. When them remember where it go on. So we just tell the people them. Say, we still have the botanical food, botanical roots, and botanical garden. So we have to just know, say, alive. So we give thanks for life.
The time on Irie FM is...
The time is 1 minute past 1 o'clock. We are the last hour, the cutting edge, you know. We're going to take you up on that level, you know. While we talk about Darfur and down in South Sudan, so some serious things are going on down there, but you see, true, the people, them no business to do are going in Africa, certain ways. You know, hear much about it, you know. You know, hear much about it. Like how you hear something, like you hear where you're going in Gaza, you know. Worse than that are going on in South Sudan there. You know, see, and people now rally around it because people now hear about it. We'll take a break. The break is all right now. Break time.
The time on Irie FM is...
Time is 15 minutes past 1 o'clock.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. Irie FM, Irie FM, Irie FM, Irie FM.
Yes, things I get wassy. Really, I get wassy. Anyway, at this tune, I will look for you and can't find the tune. Believe you me, yeah, I postpone Christmas. I wonder how Christmas I go this year. I can play that Christmas song, yeah. Wait there. Here it go. And that me I say not. Take the money and fix up some of the things they will need fixing up right now after the hurricane, yeah?
The time on Irie FM is...
Yeah, the time is 1:30. Yeah, the man called Mikey Spice coming through. May I tell you, big tune, big tune.